Thank you, Uncle. Uncle, I don't know your name. Can I have your name? Devinder, Uncle. Thank you, Shukrana, Uncle. And first of all, Shukrana to Guruji, and Shukrana to the highest place on this earth is this our Bara Mandir. Har pal Shukrana, Guruji. And I've been coming every year. 3-4 years I've been coming regularly and visiting, able to come. इस मंदिर में आ पा रही हूँ, ये मैं नहीं आती हूँ, गुरुजी चाहते हैं तो आप आ जाते हो, ये आप नहीं आ रहे हो. प्लीज़ आप एक एक जना ध्यान से सुनिए, आप नहीं आए हो, गुरुजी चाहा तो आप आए हो. दिस इज बिगेस्ट थिंग वी हैव. लोग कितने संगत, कितने लोग चाहते हुए भी नहीं आ पाते. या बड़ा मंदिर हो, ये न्यू जर्सी समरसेट मंदिर हो, इट इज़ गुरुजी ओनली वंस. एक एक जने यहाँ पर जो बैठे हैं उनकी बुलाने से ही आ पाया. मैं इतनी दूर छतरपुर से कहाँ से हर साल आके यहाँ खड़ी हो जाती हूँ. तो एक गुरुजी ही चाहते हैं, मेरी कोई औकात नहीं है गुरुजी, यहाँ हर साल आके यहाँ पे खड़े हो जाओ. मैं सोचती हूँ हर साल आती हूँ, मेरा माथा टेकने से यहाँ पे मुझे भी बहुत आशीर्वाद मिलते हैं. दूसरी बात है ये है, फ्यू थिंग्स मैं अंकल के साथ कनेक्ट करूँगी. जे गुरुजी के मंदिर में जब आते हैं ना, फर्स्ट थिंग आप क्या सोच के आते हो, किस नीयत से आते हो, किस इंटेंशन से आते हो, किस चाहत से आते हो, क्या देखने आते हो. जो सोचते हो ना आप, वही मिलेगा आपको. तो दैट्स वाई हमारी सोच को हर पल क्लीन करना है. अगर हम मंदिर आए हैं, हम किस लिए आए, क्या आई कम हियर, व्हाट आई वांट, ऑल द वे फ्रॉम छतरपुर टू हियर. फॉर मी टू कम हियर इट्स नॉट ईजी, बट मैं किस लिए आती हूँ मुझे पता है, गुरुजी को पता है. बट दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर. Why we come to Bara Mandir, why we come to Mandir every day. अगर उस क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो you will be always confused. Secondly, जब आपके घर के पास इतने सुंदर मंदिर है, I think जो भी समय फ्री मिले आपके घर के बाद, नौकरी के बाद, ये हेल्प नहीं होते, ये सेवा होते. कोई भी काम नहीं होते यहाँ पे, सेवा होते. क्योंकि मैं I'll give you one example. During Corona time, Delhi was shut, totally shut. and मेरे नसीब थी कि मैं बड़ा मंदिर के पास ही रहती थी. and मैं अपना गाड़ी लेके हर थर्सडे जाती थी, हर थर्सडे, Monday and Thursday. During Corona time, I used to drive my car to बड़ा मंदिर every Monday and Thursday. During Corona, what I saw, मैंने ये सीखा कि वहाँ पे जो टॉयलेट सेवा कर रही थी आंटी, उनको अंदर रहने को मिला, बड़ा मंदिर के अंदर रहने को मिला. शी वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू कम, शी वॉज डूइंग सेवा इनसाइड बड़ा मंदिर थ्रू आउट ड्यूरिंग द कोरोना पीरियड. सो आई रियलाइज जितना आप दिल से सेवा करोगे इतना आपको मेवा मिलेगा. दिस इज़ नॉट हेल्प, दिस इज़ नॉट कम. This is totally your love for Guruji should bring you here. Totally Guruji's love for Sangat. It should attract you towards the seva. Nobody should ask you actually. आप जहाँ पे महीन हो, you may be good in decoration, somebody may be good in photography, whatever you like, passionate about, do that seva. मुझे डांस करने को बहुत, I have not done, कोई सेवा आज तक बड़ा मंदिर में मैं नहीं किया, लेकिन आई लव डांसिंग. सो आई गॉट अ चांस टू डांस बड़ा मंदिर में, सोलो परफॉर्मेंस में करके आई थी पहली बार. व्हेन आई केम हियर फर्स्ट टाइम, आई परफॉर्म हियर ऑल्सो डांस. सो जो आपको अच्छा लगे वही सेवा करें. nobody should ask you, because your mandir, this is your mandir, you should love. When I came 2013, तो कोई एक संगत नहीं था न्यूयॉर्क में, कोई भी नहीं थे. आई हर्ड अबाउट गंगा आंटी. मैं यहाँ से गई गंगा आंटी को मिलने लॉन्ग आइलैंड. I flew from Boston to New York just to meet Ganga aunty. Ganga aunty, her husband, Chopra uncle, me. We did the first satsang in Long Island. There was nobody connected. And after that, I came slowly, this mandir coming up. And then so many sangat, every year sangat बढ़ते रहे, means what? That आपका सही रास्ते में हो. आज आप सही रास्ते में हो. I want to share how I got into Guruji. ये गुरुजी नहीं बुलाते आपको. Yes, right time, at the right place, Guruji will bring you. At the right time. Remember what I'm saying. Dot right time and right place. That is his blessing. So ये हम देर हो गए, हम old संगत नहीं है, आप new संगत है. Everyone is blessed. New or old, we are all equal. In fact, नए संगत जो दिल से जुड़ी हुए, I know so many chief ministers, उनके जो बच्चे हैं, they are more connected. They are so simple, they are so humble, they love Guruji like anything. They are new sangat, recently joined to 1 year, 2 years. So it's not old sangat, new sangat. It's I with Guruji. मैं गुरुजी के साथ कितने direct connection कर सकती हूँ. Direct connection. Not me, not anyone can help you to connect. Nobody can help you. आप आए हो, लेकिन your intention, your thinking, your love for Guruji, your honesty, your humbleness will connect you to Guruji. Why I'm saying that? Because before coming to Guruji, I had a lot of attitude. Definitely I had a lot of attitude that I will. 2011, I broke my family. I had to sell my house. I shifted to a rented house. I had no chat over me. Imagine, एक लेडी के लिए इससे ज़्यादा क्या दुख हो सकते हैं. For me, the sky was black. I couldn't go ahead. I couldn't look back. I was shivering. How will I handle in Delhi with my daughter? But within 20 days, exactly 20, जबकि Bambi auntie's children I was teaching, जबकि closest old sangats were my colleagues, nobody told me that time. I used to cry with my personal issues, problem, but nobody asked me to go to Bada Mandir or to Guruji that time. Imagine, Bambi auntie was very close to me. Both her children went through me. And Natasha, who passed away, also was under my care. तब भी मुझे गुरुजी नहीं पता था. आप सोचिए. I found Guruji after in 2011 when I broke my home. I shifted to a rented house. Within 20 days, I was looking for a house to buy. I had no clue about Guruji. I used to go to Kamakshi Mandir in Vasant Kunj near JNU. I used to talk to Kamakshi Mandir. I used to talk to God. And each one of you, whoever is here today, आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं कोई मंदिर जाते थे, कहीं ना कहीं आप भगवान से बातें करते थे, तभी आपको गुरुजी ने finally got you here. Like you can't be in nursery, KG 1, 2. You have to evolve. Like every year we evolve in the school. It's not that you can be in the same place. तो हमें evolve करने के लिए गुरुजी finally gets us here. And this is the ultimate part. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं. उसके आगे पीछे आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिलेंगे, लेकिन this is the final part for me. I don't know about you, I can't say, but you will realize with time. So within 20 days, I happened to look for a house to buy. Within the amount I had, I didn't want any loan on my head. So this guy, I said, you live in Chhatarpur, can you show me some house? So he said, okay, madam. So he took me to Chhatarpur. He showed quite a few houses. And then finally he showed me, madam, एक जगह है, थोड़ा महंगा है. I said, कोई बात नहीं. And he was taking me through a गली से लेके जाते. I said, भगवान, I used to talk to God. I said, भगवान, ये last house है. I'm fed up of looking for a house. And then जैसे gate खोला, I said, this is, my house is going to be here. I had no clue about Guruji. Kaun Guruji, nothing. But I was connected to very old Sangat, surrounded around me. Anyway, then I saw the building. I asked, I happened to meet the builder after 4 days, and he said, there is no flat in that society. I said, you have to give me. I pressurized him. I made connection with his children, whose children were in my school. So, under the pressure, after a month, he took a month. He said, come, he took me to the gym of that building, and he said, this is going to be a house. I said, Bhagwan, ये gym कैसे मेरे घर बने? Gym में new steam, sauna, machine, new gym. And I said, Bhagwan, this is going to be my house, but doesn't matter. See, look at my confidence with my God, that whatever I'm getting, I was accepting. I did not negotiate with that builder, because after talking to so many builder, I found this builder is respectable, honest, and to the point. I was confident after meeting this builder. And then, chalo, things started moving on. And I saw in the builder's office, I saw Guruji's photograph like this. I asked him, who is this guy? He said, our Guruji. I said, Bhagwan, mujhe aise pagal nahi banane, builder jaise. Then in 3 months, the work was going on. So he gave me the key of the house. Work is done. I said, thank you so much. I could not have done alone. I could not have done alone with that mentality, you know. And he said, don't thank me, thank Guruji. I said, Bhagwan, ye to super pagal hai, mujhe aise nahi banao. After that, things happened, bahut kuch hui. Then I had an accident after shifting to that house immediately. And then somebody said, go to Bara Mandir. I said, Bara Mandir, where is this? And in the building, everybody runs in the evening to somewhere. Some Guruji, they say, and they run in the evening. I was thinking, kya hai? That after that accident, I happened to go to Bara Mandir. And as I stepped in the Bara Mandir, I said, this is my life. I was very confident from the first day. I knew Guruji was taking me, you know, he's showing the path. And I was very happy, but I didn't have to ask anything. Gaddi was empty. It was my internal understanding that, yes, this is what it is. And after that, we went for a Europe trip and all, came back. On 7th July, there was satsang in front of my house. And I asked the people, why are we having satsang in front of my house? He said, Aaj Guruji ki janamdin hai. I said, so what? Then he said, इस building की जो नींव है वो गुरुजी ने लगाया. And then the electricity passed through me. I said, oh Taklu, you are the one who is made me going through, showing me this path. I was in Vasant Vihar, Vasant Kunj. Finally to shift to Sadbari is a big change for me. It was not easy. But believe me, from that day, I have just moved on. I forgot my 18 years of my problem, anything. I just forgot. And then everything replaced. My problem of life, relationship, home, family, no. Everything was Guruji for me. Every minute I was Guruji. I was talking about Guruji. And jo manga, wahi mila. Ab, देखो, I am not going to ask them मुझे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना दो. नो, अपने औकात से ही मांगेंगे ना. बट गुरुजी नोस. अब जिस नियत से आप सोचोगे वही गुरुजी कहीं ना कहीं आपको कभी ना सही टाइम पे दे देते. And this has been my 15 years now with Guruji. Believe me, I was just sitting here. I said, Guruji, आप कैसे कर लेते हो इतना? इतने संगत लाए हो. They are so blessed. All of you are so blessed. First thing, Guruji के चरण में आए. इससे आगे आप, you may be having most powerful job, you may be having $1 million, but if you don't have Guruji, your life will be meaningless. Meaningless. First, after that, I started learning to give priority to Guruji, first priority to Guruji, whether it's my work, it's my family, everybody is to laugh at me in my professional life, in my family, so many, everybody is to, but my confidence with Guruji could not break. Nobody could come between me and my Guruji. No one. Not my bosses, not my child, not my brother, not my mother. I said, Guruji, if you want me, everybody should come to you. And everybody is today. He is here. This is what Guruji is. And so many ups and downs. It's not Guruji brings you here not to show you good time all the time. आपके साथ अगर कभी challenging time, this is not bad time. No time is bad time. It's a challenging time. That challenging time, how much you are positive, you're more positive, you will come out positively. If you challenging them, we keep complaining, ये नहीं हुआ, ये है, दर्द है, pain है, ये no. गुरुजी के माथा टेको, गुरुजी से बात करो, but keep smiling, keep doing your needful according to your time, breakfast, lunch, पूजा पाठ, सेवा, जो करना है वो आपके ड्यूटी करते रहे. और देखना, you will overcome so many things and much more better than what you expect. Guruji, आप इतना सोचोगे, Guruji will give you this much. So this is what I learned, that I have learned, first thing, be positive. And don't be positive for others. Pretend नहीं करना. अपने inculcate that good positivity, that you are a positive character. That should be inbuilt in your part with Guruji. Guruji wants you to be, first thing is be positive and be happy all the time. Guruji के चरण में आए हैं तो no complain. Use your egg. I think today, for me to waste 2 minutes also big waste. I want to be doing something all the time. And it gives you immense pleasure. Life is so beautiful with Guruji. And enjoy that. In my 15 years, I have seen so many satsang, but 2-3 I want to say. After shifting, Guruji knew. See, I have not met Guruji, but Guruji knew this girl is going to come here. Okay? And he showed me many presents in that house. Many. On this earth, agar miracle house hai, to wo hai. That is the miracle house. Secondly, 2006, Guruji has left a silver coin with a Chief Justice of High Court of Delhi. And he said he had given it for her father, but she forgot to give her father. And then, in the meantime, her father passed away. So she took the silver coin back to Empire State and said, Guruji, this is what happened. I forgot to give it to my father. What should I do? He told her, keep it. I will tell you whom to give. And that auntie also forgot. For many years, she forgot that silver coin. She has a responsibility to hand over that silver coin. After a few years, she suddenly finds that silver coin. It comes out from the almirah. And then she gets message from Guruji, whom he will be meeting so-and-so Sangat. And she happens to meet me. She came to my house. For some other work she came, and she was shocked to see Guruji around in my house. She said, okay, then she calculated what Guruji has told her. You will be meeting somebody and this. Then that silver coin was given to me on 2013, 7th August to me. And believe me, Guruji left that silver coins with old Sangat for a new Sangat. That means what? Guruji knows each one of you. You are coming, Guruji wants you to connect directly, and there is no if and buts here. No if and buts. Just be confident with Guruji. Be positive, be positive, be positive. No negativity. Keep smiling, keep doing your needful, keep doing your duties, and when you do your job, when you go to your job, office, make it like a seva. Job ko hum burden bana dete, that's the time you get negativity actually. Job ko, today I do my job like a seva. And believe me, it's giving the best reward today. anything you do as a seva, you get the best return. Anything you do as a karna hai, job karna hai, job is not going to give you satisfaction. First thing Guruji said, be a good human being, do everything with honesty, and that is what is good human being. You know, when you do with total sincerity, that will make you a better person and your success will come there. अगर हम complain करेंगे, job भी complain करेंगे, तो you will not get the optimum success. You deserve each one of you. So Shukrana Guruji. You yeah, please. Okay, no problem. Kar de. So I hope I can share many more, but I don't want to make it longer, but I have come all the way. So I just want to share my experience with Guruji. That Guruji, I pray to Guruji that Guruji, don't let any Sangat down. Don't let Guruji down also. You get my point? Don't let Guruji down, and Guruji will never let you down. That means we are responsible to give our best. This is what Guruji is. Believe me, I went to Dugri. I want to share, Uncle said, Punjab ki satsang. I want to share something. Recently I went third. Huh? Okay. जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी once again. लंगर खाते हुए भी आप इतना सुंदर मन से खाया करो, क्योंकि this is लंगर, this is your divine prasad. हर बूंद को enjoy करें, and more you take it positively, more it will be effective on your body. And beauty also comes through your mind, actually, you know. Beauty also doesn't make difference what we wear, what jewelry we wear. It doesn't matter. But I have seen Sangats who I have been going to Mandir from 2012 to 2016 every day. मुझे लगा कि इससे आगे कोई जगह ही नहीं है. 5 days in a week I used to go, and I had to cleanse. इंटरनल क्लींजिंग के लिए भी गुरुजी बुलाते हैं. जितने आप मंदिर आओगे, आप देखोगे आपका प्रॉब्लम बाहर से गुरुजी सॉल्व करे. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मंदिर आना इज नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग. योर मोबाइल इज स्विच ऑफ. गुरुजी इज वर्किंग आउटसाइड. मोर यू कम, मोर योर प्रॉब्लम्स आर सॉल्व. लेस यू कम, योर प्रॉब्लम विल बी लेस. मतलब इट विल कम लेस, बट विथ टाइम. I have seen that 5 years I have learned one thing is that यहाँ पे माथा, बड़ा मंदिर में माथा टेको, you are done. You handle your situation so much better. जिस पहले जब हम चिल्लाते थे, ये नहीं हो रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा, no, then I learned something during this challenging period, how we react. It may be in the Bara Mandir, it may be here, it may be in your workplace, it may be at home, it may be with your friends, sangats, anyway. But agar हम मुंह बंद करके accept करें the other person, whatever he is saying, accept करके neutral remark करके निकाल जाए without hurting or retaliating, that means your karma, you are increasing, you are becoming a better human being, you are under control. You are under control. So more you come, more you focus in the Shabad, Guruji's Swarup, you will see your mindset will be under control. And under control means you are under divine charan of Guruji. And moment we react, I used to react a lot. And dhire today I just ignore. I said these are immaterial things for me. I love to be I shut my mouth and move ahead. I have moved ahead a lot in life. जो पीछे रहेंगे पीछे रहेंगे और चिल्लाते रह जाएंगे. आप move ahead करिए. Do invest your time with Guruji. Invest your time with Mandir. Invest your time with Seva. That is investment. And biggest investment, if you monetary investment, you might have $1 million, but you might not be able to sit down and eat the langar. What is the point of that $1 million? Understand? To enjoy that $1 million, come and matha teko here. Invest here. Then you will. Today I feel I can do anything. You know, I don't worry about money. Whatever I need, I am getting it. Why should I worry? every year come here, I'm traveling, not only here, I'm traveling a whole year, कहीं ना कहीं हम जा रहे, महाकुंभ गई, जहाँ जहाँ जाना चाहते सब मिल गए मुझे, तो I said, Guruji, आप करवाए दे, तो because it's in deep in my mind, I want to go to Mahakumbh, Guruji, I want to go. And जबकि there was so much of pressure on Mahakumbh, but I went clean, no crowd, nothing. Went. So Guruji makes it happen for you what you want. Please understand, your beauty comes with your thinking, your way of doing it. I want to share one thing. अभी last month 3rd को मैं गई थी डुगरी for some work. Guruji की some सेवा, Guruji wanted me, so I was asked to go there. I went there. तो I happened to meet one family. गुरुजी के बहुत close थे, उनके घर गई थी, तो इतने रौनक उनके घर में. आंटी अंकल इज एल्डरली आंटी अंकल, एंड गुरुजी इज टू कम देयर, स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम. तो बहुत ही गुरुजी का फीलिंग था उस घर पे ना, और भी डुगरी में, यू कैन इमेजिन. तो अंकल सेड वन थिंग, that he had 200 rupees in his pocket, and Guruji had asked 200 rupees, and 200 rupees only he asked, and uncle gave it to Guruji, and he said after that पॉकेट कभी खाली नहीं हुआ, पॉकेट कभी खाली नहीं हुआ. एंड टिल टुडे इफ यू गो टू देयर हाउस, बिलीव मी, इट्स फ्लरिशिंग लाइक एनी नंबर ऑफ संगत गोस. द वे दे ट्रीट यू अनबिलीवेबल, द वे दे लव गुरुजी, मैं देख के हैरान हो गया. तो हम तो कुछ भी नहीं है, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं कर, हमसे भी वहाँ पे डुगरी में देखो सेवादास कितने अच्छे सेवा कर रहे हैं. Unbelievable seva for Guruji. Old sanghas, senior sanghas, they are doing beautiful job. So I feel proud to be part of that seva, And Guruji को जब बात करते हो आप, कैसे करते हो, तो एक दिल से आते हैं, desperate situation में आते हैं. तो मैं एक दिन गई, because it was 2014, 6 January, first Monday of the year, मैं गई. I said, बहुत भीड़ था, बड़ा मंदिर was very crowded. और मैं गई, 6 o'clock I reached. That day I didn't take my car. I asked my student who had come to my house, I said, please drop me to बड़ा मंदिर. I happened, he dropped me. उसने चाय प्रसाद पी के चले गए. तो मैं वहाँ पे बैठी थी. तो 7 o'clock they put the barricade and they said shift this side. We shifted, and then I said, Guruji, आज छोटा सा कुछ हिला के दिखाओ, क्योंकि मैं आपको देख नहीं पाती हूँ, लेकिन आप हमें देख रहे हो. आई नो दैट यू नो एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो अगर गलत करो तो इमीडिएटली थप्पड़ भी लग जाते. इट्स नॉट दैट ही नोज दैट व्हाट आई हैव डन रॉन्ग, ही विल ओनली शो दिस इज रॉन्ग. एंड देन आई सेड, गुरुजी प्लीज़ छोटा सा कुछ हिला के दिखा जो मुझे दिखे, दूसरों को ना दिखे, मुझे दिखे. एंड ऐसे बोल के मैं नीचे हो गए. एंड 52 kgs शिवजी मूर्ति जो है बड़ा मंदिर में, it's like this one, the bigger one. It just comes out within 3 minutes. It comes out from there and it stands here on its own. And that time the mandir was so powerful, I could feel the power, as if somebody came and touched the Shivji from the back, and it came down, आराम से stood like that. I was so scared. I said, Guruji, मैंने तो छोटा सा कुछ हिलाने बताया था, तो आपने तो अब तो बड़ा मंदिर मुझे आने ही नहीं देंगे. I know I was so scared, because that time I used to only talk to Guruji that Guruji do this, Guruji do that, And then it's a tour uncle auntie. My body became cold because I was so scared. It's not a joke. आपका पूरा शिव जी के मूर्ति हिल आ गए. तो Varun Kochar uncle was there, Sabina Kochar's brother was there, he was doing the seva. They have put it back. उन्होंने आके 15-20 मिनट लगा वापस रखने के लिए. And tour uncle auntie and all, they brought me back. मैं 3 दिन घर के अंदर बाहर नहीं गई, घर के अंदर बैठी. I said, Guruji, and I felt, because that house is a miracle house. That house में मैं जो बोलती थी, और अगर मैं गलत बोला वो होगा नहीं. In the whole thing also you have to remember, गुरुजी करेंगे जो सही है, जो नहीं कर रहे वो गलत है, इसलिए नहीं करेंगे आपके लिए, देंगे भी नहीं. So in this part we have to only surrender. Guruji will do right every moment, every time, every second of our life. इसमें कोई इफ बात नहीं है, आप सरेंडर करिए. अगर आपने कोई इच्छा पूरा नहीं हो रहा है, शायद आगे होगा, अगर नहीं हुआ है, that is for your betterment. Please understand, we don't know what is right and wrong for us. So what I have realized, I just surrendered today. Today I don't see left, right, I keep on moving. जैसे जैसे गुरुजी चाहते, गलती हो जाते, गुरुजी माफ कर दो, आगे बढ़ो. ठीक है, गुरुजी will show you the path. Ask गुरुजी to show you the right path always. इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है, कोई confusion नहीं है, and just be with Guruji every second, every moment of your life, and you will see, you will be more happy, more at peace, and all your negativity will fly away, and you will be a Guruji's true Sangat with so much of blessing, and your path will be easier for you. I think I should stop here because all of us are eating langar. I'll share next time when I come next time. And Sangat, please, आप जब दिल्ली जाते हो, keep your first priority to बड़ा मंदिर. बड़ा मंदिर गुरुजी ने बनाया आपके लिए, आपके लिए बना, एक एक संगत के लिए बनाया. इट इज़ अ सुपर पावर हाउस, उसके आगे कोई कुछ नहीं है. आप जब दिल्ली जाते हो, मेक श्योर दैट यू विजिट द बड़ा मंदिर, माथा टेको एंड देखो बड़ा मंदिर की blessings, how it gives you and shows the path. Thank you. Shukrana Guruji, Shukrana Sima Aunty. Thank you so much. Every year I come and meet you all. It's my pleasure, it's my blessing to be able to come here. Shukrana, thank you.